Good morning, true loving fishing. It is the day after Thanksgiving. Look at this fog over this water. It is absolutely beautiful. We're going to start with top water right here. This is perfect top water conditions. See what we can do. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for joining. Alrighty, first trout of the morning. Little guy. That little guy right there. Very aggressive on that mirror lure. Alright, so the popping cork wasn't producing. I switched to this mirror lure, and on the first cast I got about a 14-inch trout, which is a good sign. So we'll obviously switch to that. See what happens. It's so dead calm out here. It's something else. This is gonna burn off. I think this is gonna be an incredible day once this fog burns off. Stay tuned. And a very, very slow bite. Fog is not burned off today. I don't know. Still beats Black Friday shopping though, I'm here to tell you that. Woo! Yes, sir. Alrighty. All right. He's that's a nice one. Whew. I appreciate the heads up.
Right where I caught one of my two. Yours is better than mine, man. Mine were little guys.
22.
Nice.
That's
good.
great.
22. Look how flat that was.
I know. He's nice, isn't he?
Eating well, multi-spots.
Yeah, very nice.
Nice fish. What'd you catch that one on?
A mud minnow on the bottom. Right when I say on the grass, I mean in the grass pretty much.
Good job. Good job.
Thank you. Maybe that's where they're at.
Yeah, the reds probably are.
It's got a hit, bro.
Just a jig head?
It's got a hit. Oh, yeah. Come on. Good old trout. Little old trout. Oh, I lost him. I lost him, Jeff. here, Bubba. All right, let's see what we can do here. Pop and cork live shrimp in the foggy conditions. Oh, he's under already. Oh, yeah. There he is. There he is. That didn't take long. Nice. Live shrimp. Yeah, nice little trout. He ain't even little, he's pretty good size. Pretty good size. It's a slot. Pretty crazy when a bald eagle swoops down to get your top water. Wow. Like a sledgehammer. Come on. There he is. Oh my goodness, I'm glad he came back to it. He ain't that big, but he's a red. That ain't the first one to hit it, that's for sure. Oh, I'll take it.